Hi everyone, this is GPFA Global. Today I want to show you how you can quickly raise funds for your businesses. And it is about how you can get quick loan without collateral in Nigerian commercial banks. A lot of people have been talking about businesses, but the constraint that they are having is how to raise funds for their businesses. But to me, raising funds for your business is not an issue to me. The issue is that we lack ideas in Nigeria, in Africa as a whole. If you have a bright idea, you can actually get funded, or you can even raise funds to execute your ideas by yourself. Let's say you have a business idea that you want to establish. You can go to any banks as long as you have bank account that you are operating. You can request for a loan in any bank without collateral. Especially in this government, a lot of people are talking about. I know people have been crying that this government is not doing well. A lot of things are not working well, business-wise and all that. But I can guarantee you that the process of collecting loan from the commercial banks in Nigeria today is far, far, far better than any other dispensation. I can guarantee you that. I am not a supporter of this government, but when I see something good, I talk about it. This one, I can guarantee you that they are doing well. They are looking into small businesses, small scale businesses, SMEs. So there is an instruction to the commercial banks to be kind enough, to be kind to all these small businesses so that the economy can grow. And the commercial banks are working on that. They are actually bringing the standard to the barest minimum in such a way that small businesses can access loan, except you do not have the information. They have other banks like the Bank of Industry, which is giving loan to agro business owners and all that. But the normal commercial banks like First Bank, like GTB Bank, like Zenith Bank, like Access Bank, all of these commercial banks like Union Banks, they give loan to their customers. And I'm going to show you how you can go about it. I want to use GTB Bank to represent any other banks. Let us pinpoint GTB Bank here. If you are a worker and you have been working for an organization for more than 6 months and your salary is consistent, you don't need to be looking for how you can get loan for your businesses. Except you are not thinking about any business, you just want to settle for your job forever. But if you are looking forward to doing business, this is how you go about it. Now, let's say you are earning 100,000 naira per month. That is 1,200,000 per annum. And if your salary is consistent for 6 months, GTB Bank can give you 50% of your annual remuneration as a loan. So this means that your annual remuneration is 1,200,000. You can get up to 600,000 loan as long as there is consistency in your salary and it is coming monthly as at when due. What you need to do is to work. If you do not have GTB Bank account, I'm not just particular, but you can use any other bank in Nigeria, Access Bank, Union Bank, they are all doing it. But if you do not have the information, you won't understand. So you can walk into any of these banks, domicile your salary, tell your account officer that, okay, I want to use so and so account for my salary, and they will configure it for you. using the name of your company to configure it for you. So at the end of the month, as your salary is coming in, your how do I put it? Your chances of getting loan is also building up. Your chances of getting loan from them is building up. But if you are not aware, you won't understand. I could remember before COVID, just at that point that COVID-19 started ravaging the world at that time, I got a call from Union Bank. They were the ones calling me. They were disturbing me seriously I should come and collect loan. That I should come and collect loan. And the figure was it was a huge figure. So I was contemplating that I didn't need any loan. So it got to a point that I start thinking that, okay, you know what? I have a business idea. There are some things I wanted to import from China. Now, why don't I go and take this loan? So I started applying for this loan, thinking that, okay, COVID-19 was going to be like Ebola, that is not going to tarry, that in no time it will disappear. So I was still keeping my business in mind. But it got to a point that it was getting worse and worse, getting alarming day by day. So I cautioned myself. I said, no, it's even God that even saved me. It got to a point that something occurred to my heart that this thing is not going to end anytime soon. So I decided to lay low about that loan. I didn't take it. I did not take that loan at that point. So that's the way it is. So like GTB Bank now, if you have salary account with GTB Bank, what you need to do, it is a very quick loan. If you are entitled to that loan, they are not going to deny you of it. They will give it to you. You are not paying any collateral. You don't need to give them your piece of land. You don't need to give them any property as a collateral. What they want to see is a consistency of your inflow, your salary inflow. You can even check it yourself. If you are qualified for this, there is a code, GTB code that you can dial. If you dial star 737 star 51 star 51 hash and send it. If you are having a salary account with them, it will give you the amount of loan that you can collect. You will see it, you get the amount of loan that you can collect. But if your account with GTB is not salary account, this is what they are going to show you. Let me quickly show you something that I have here. You can look at this feedback here. It is when I dial the code on my phone, because my GTB account is not my salary account. My salary account is not GTB. So this is the feedback I got when I dialed that code. Star 737 star 51 star 51 hash. When I dialed it, this is what I got. Dear customer, you are yet to be pre-qualified for quick credit. Please contact your account officer for assistance. If I had a salary account with them, it would have given me the figure I am entitled to immediately. So you can look at it. So if I go to my account officer and tell her, say, you know what, convert this account. This is the company I'm working with. I want to domicile my salary on this my account. The account officer will configure it for me, and I will start receiving my salary here. As I'm receiving my salary monthly, it will start building up. It will start building up. It will get to a point that when I dial that code, I will see the figure I am qualified to get loan. So that's the way it is. But a lot of people are not aware of it. A lot of people have been working for several years and their salary has been consistent. But they don't like the job they are doing, but they want to do business, but they don't have the idea where to raise funds for their business is what they don't understand. So this video, I am using it as an eye opener that anyone that is interested in getting loan can actually get loan without collateral in Nigeria today. So this is what this video is all about. If you are watching my YouTube channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when I upload subsequent videos, you have access to my materials and to get all these guidelines. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about the kind of businesses that you can invest in as we speak today. Every situation comes with its goodness. In this era of COVID-19, there are businesses that you can actually invest and get a profit from. I will be talking about all those things. So kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that when I upload subsequent videos, you get notification and watch and listen to what I have to say. You should also turn pause for us to give us credit. If you like this video, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for listening to us. Cheers.